Hello everyone, welcome sa aking YT channel. Today, our topic is all about how to calculate the mean, median, and mode of group data. Summation of fx over n, where bar is the symbol of mean for mean or average, x is the midpoint of the class interval, f is the frequency of the class interval, n is the total frequency. Example, find the mean score of 60 students in Mathematics 7. Class interval, frequency, midpoint, fx. 20. How to fill up the lower limit or lower boundary and the cumulative frequency. So how to calculate the mean of group data. Okay. So let's the formula of mean or group data answering the questions. Calculate the mean score of 60 students in Mathematics 7. So the first column is our class interval. Second, the frequency or f. Third is our midpoint or x. And fourth is frequency midpoint or fx. First step, first is score of 60 student. Ito total natin ang ating frequency. So ang total frequency midpoint natin or x. By the way guys, ito pala ay gitna ng class interval. So ang gitna ng 26 to 30 is 28. 21 to 25 is 23. 16 to 20 is 18. 11 to 15 is 13. 6 to 10 is 8. 1 to 5 is 3. After malagyan ng midpoint, sunod ay frequency midpoint, fx. Ano nga ba ang fx? Ang meaning ng f is frequency. Ita-times natin siya sa midpoint. So, multiply natin. 5 times 28 equals 140. Then, 11 times 23 equals 253. 15 times 18 equals 270. Next is 9 times 13 equals 117. Sunod, 13 times 8 is equals 104. And last, 7 times 3 is equals to 21. Next is total natin ang summation of fx is equals to 905. Paano naging 905? Kasi pinag-plus natin. After natin ma-filled up ang table, tsaka natin gagamitin ang formula. So, x summation of fx over n. So, 905 divided by 3. Divided by 60 is equals to 15.8. So, the mean score of 60 students is 15.8. Next naman natin is median of group data. LL is the lower limit, CF is the cumulative frequency, F is the frequency of the class interval, N is the total frequency, I is the size of class interval. Example, calculate the median score of 60 students in Mathematics 7. Again, the class interval is the first column, second is frequency, third is lower limit or lower boundary, and last is CF or the cumulative frequency. What is the first step to find the median? Una, kunin natin yung size interval or yung I. So, yung I natin is yung 5. Bakit 5? Kasi ito ang bilang ng class interval. 5 is equals 5. I is equals 5. Next naman is total the frequency. The total is 60. The total of frequency is 60. Paano nga ba kinukuha ang lower limit or lower boundary? Ito ay sa pagitan ng class interval. So, ang pagitan ng 26 to 30 is 25.5. Ito ang lower limit ng 26 to 30. Then, ang ipagitan ng 21 to 20. Ang pagitan ng 21 to 25 is 20.5. 16 to 20 is 15.5. 11 to 15 is 10.5, 6 to 10 is 5.5, and 1 to 5 is 0.5. Since wala na yung baba niya, next is calculate natin yung CF. Paano tayo mag-i-start? Magsisimula tayo sa n is equal 60, yung total ng frequency. Ito ang ilalagay natin sa class interval. Yung 60 na ito, subtract to the frequency. 60 minus 5 is 55. Ilalagay natin sa kasunod ng 60. Ganon ang gagawin natin pababa. So, 55 minus 11 is equals to 44. 44 minus 15 equals 29. 29 minus 9 equals 20. 20 minus 13 equals 7. Dapat ang end niya ay 0. Bakit? 0 kasi 7 minus 7 is equal 0. Kapag ganyan lumabas, ibig sabihin tama ang ginawa nating pag-subtract. After that, calculate natin ang median score using the formula. Kailangan natin makuha ang given. Ano ang LL or lower limit? Sunod, dapat natin makuha ang frequency. Yung cumulative frequency at ang size ng class interval, which is yung 5 natin. 1 is equals to 60. So ang hahanapin natin is yung lower limit. So, in-simplify natin ang n over 2. So, ang n over 2 is equals to 60 over 2. 60 divide 2 is equals 30. Punta tayo sa column under the 16 minus 20, cumulative frequency. So, yung 30 is nasa pagitan ng 44 to 29. Ngayon, saan natin kukuhanin ang mga given na ito? Kukuhanin natin ang taas nito. Ang ating LL natin is 15.5. Next, ang ating frequency is 15. And ang ating cumulative frequency is 29. Ang kasunod ng 44 is 29. Kaya ang kinuha natin is 29. After natin makuha ang given, calculate natin ang median score. Ang MD po natin ay 15.5 plus 30 minus CF natin ay 29. All over frequency is 5 times 5 is equal. Ang ating pong MD ay 15.5 plus 1 over 15 times 5. 5 is 15 is 0.7. Bakit ganon ang interface? Kasi ito ay median. How about mode of data? D sub 1 over D sub 1 plus D sub 2 times I. So, ano po ang ating formula? Let's try to calculate the mode of the scores of 60 students in Mathematics 7. Given the frequency table, so atin pong formula of the mode of group data, kailangan po natin ay LL or lower limit or lower boundary, D sub 1 and D sub 2. And I or the class size. Saan natin kukunin ang value ng mga ito? Una, kailangan natin kunin ang value ng mga ito. Una, kailangan natin ang lower limit or boundary. So, ano po ang lower boundary ng 26 to 30? Pagitan ng 26 to 25. So, the 25.5. Then, yung 21 to 25, bababa is 20.5. 16 to 20 is 15.5. 11 to 15 is 10.5. 6 to 10 is 5.5. And 1 to 5 is 0.5. Sa class interval, after that, the next is the biggest frequency. Simula sa 16 to 20, 15.5. So, ang lower boundary natin is 15.5. Then next is what is our frequency. D sub 1, 15 minus 11 is equals 4. Meaning, ang D sub 1 natin is 4. How about D sub 2? 15 minus 9 is equals 6. Meron na tayong value lahat. Pwede na natin i-calculate lahat. Let's substitute the given. D sub 1 is 4 divided by D sub 1, 4 plus 6 times I, our class size simplify our mode 15.5. So, our total, the answer is the mode of the score of student is 17.5.